Finding out the sex of your budgies is relatively simple in most cases, at least in adult and sexually mature birds, depending on the color variety and health condition of a budgie. However, the sex determination can turn out as difficult in individual cases. Furthermore, it's often not easy to recognize the sex of birds who are not yet sexually mature. There are several ways to identify the gender of a budgie, but the most common method is to identify it by the color and the appearance of the seer of the budgie. Seer. Seer is a paired piece of tissue on the beak of the bird, around the nostrils of the budgie. Color of the seer give us an idea about the gender of the budgie. However, its appearance may change with breeding season, age of the bird, and the health of the bird. Males have a blue seer. Females have a tan or brown seer. Male budgies. Adult and sexually mature male budgies with typical blue seer. There are many pied color varieties in budgies, and seer of the males is often pink or blue and pink. Young male budgie. Finding out whether a young budgie is male or female often turns out to be a difficult task. Young males have a more pinkish to violet colored seer. It is actually not purely blue. Female budgies. Adult and sexually mature female budgie in breeding condition. The color of the seer turns to brown in breeding conditions. Adult and sexually mature female budgies not in breeding condition. When it's not in breeding conditions, the seer color will be white, tan, or blue with white. Young female budgies. Young female budgie seer tends to whitish blue with visible white around the nasal ring. Identification of male and female budgies by their voice patterns and behavior. Male budgies are noisier than female budgies. Their chirp or song is also quite long than those of female budgies. Although female birds make sounds, their sounds are somewhat non-musical, which can be irritating for some persons. In some cases, the voice of both genders may be cheerful and pretty. Behavior also suggests somewhat about the gender of a budgie. Males are quite playful and cheering than that of females. This behavior can be noticed by the frequent up and down movements of the bird, which is frequently done by male budgie. Female budgie may show some reluctant behavior. Female budgies may seem more aggressive if they're in the mood to breed or if they're fertile. One easy way for the vet to determine a bird's gender is to analyze the bird's DNA using a PCR-based test. This test is non-invasive, requiring nothing more than a drop of blood or some plucked feathers, and can be performed for any age bird.